The wild of a bird, hidden, a most populated animal, and second most common animal of humanity. A pigeon meant to be in any country, China, France, Italy, Spain, the US, Africa, South America, Australia. You probably get it by now. A pigeon meant to have light and flee and could spread it to any animal, including humanity. Some people feed it bread or chip. Pigeon is the most common and most populated bird on the planet, populating probably in the hundreds of millions to near billion across the world. Pigeon is a wild bird, but sometimes people feed them. Country like England might ban feeding wild birds like pigeon in town centre, like I Wickham. Anyway, there's something on my mind. Bird flu. Bird flu have jumped to human one or two times, but it wasn't fatal. But bird flu have a higher death count than corona. Corona death count was around 1 to 5% death count for corona outbreak during them sad times. But but bird flu but the bird flu virus can or possible it's possible for it to jump to human anytime. If it do, a death toll is around 20 to 60. A death toll is more than half a percent and is fatal to human at 50 or 60% death count. So if a mutate, a bird flu virus starts to spread and it jump from bird to human, then you should get worried, but do not panic. That save about 3 months of food, water, and supply like cleaning supply, toilet paper, medicating kit like painkiller or painkiller tablet or cream, and other items, even gardening, because you might need to grow your own food. If there's a new pandemic, the economy might collapse, causing chain reaction, causing a lot of people to panic buy, leaving shop and supermarket empty. Combining with this, combining with this, people will try pull out their life saving out of a bank, and the bank will run out of money, and fear that the bank will lock you out of your online bank account, and all banks will close across the country, possibly around the world. And people by panic buying will also spread the virus if they haven't, causing a chain reaction of people dying and being ill, and for a death toll to rise up very quickly. It'll be Corona but 2.0 with the bird flu. Anyway, in 2024, a beginning of March 2024, there might be a new outbreak coming, not of bird flu, but of corona. But did corona affect the brain cell and could affect the brain big time? The new version, it might, it might spread to. So get ready. Move out to a countryside away from a city and town. Grow your own food and get your own water supply. Get a water pump or filter water from a river and use water filter to make it drinkable. and be healthy and safe.